top 4 benefits of drinking green juice. Number 1. Immediate nutritional fortification that boosts natural energy. Green juice is a super concentrated plant-based liquid that is filled with nutrients, enzymes, and antioxidants like chlorophyll and carotenoids. Because the fiber is removed, the extracted juice is easily absorbed, providing an immediate influx of potent nutritional nourishment. Green leafy vegetable juices are particularly high in bioavailable minerals and certain vitamins. While ratios are unique to each type of leafy green, most are good sources of calcium, vitamin K, folate, vitamin C, potassium, beta-carotene, calcium, and iron. The benefits of drinking green juice can be helpful for those who have 1. Impaired digestive functions who are unable to properly metabolize solid foods. 2. Challenges with consuming adequate amounts of vegetables on a daily basis. And 3. Undernourishment and mineral deficiencies from poor, long-term dietary food choices. Drinking a green juice first thing in the morning can be a great way to stimulate natural energy without the use of caffeinated foods and drinks. Added spices like ginger root or hot peppers can also help to increase nutrient delivery and activate the cleansing effects. This can have a positive influence on overall mood, providing greater feelings of well-being, clarity, as well as renewed physical energy. Cold-pressed juice from organic raw vegetables, low-sugar fruits, and chlorophyll-infused leafy greens are also full of energizing amino acids and can be a great pick-me-up when you feel fatigued or sluggish between meals. Number 2. Cleansing to the blood and promotes detoxification. The process of detoxification is fundamentally an ongoing biological process. As long as we are living with a functioning liver, colon, and kidneys, the body is always in some state of detox, filtering out wastes and toxins. This is what these organs are designed to do. However, an accumulation of toxic substances can occur over time, from unhealthy lifestyle habits, dietary excess, and/or environmental pollutants we are all invariably exposed to on a daily basis. This is commonly believed to place undue stress on those aforementioned organ systems and further impede optimal detoxification processes. Chlorophyll-concentrated green juices, by their easily digested nature, can be extremely cleansing to the bloodstream, purifying to the lymph and liver, and can encourage the removal of toxic substances from the body. Dietary chlorophyll is also a commonly prescribed nutrient for clearing skin issues as well as reducing bad breath and body odor. Many health experts agree that short, periodic fasting on green juice is one of the most basic and effective dietary regimes you can adhere to when feeling off balance, sick, constipated, fatigued, or stressed. For long-term health maintenance, intermittent cleansing practices using green juice blends helps to keep the body's detoxification pathways open and unhindered. Number 3, good for weight loss and healthy gut bacteria. The benefits of drinking green juice can also be applied to those seeking to lose unwanted body weight. A quart of fresh, homemade, low-sugar green juice makes an appetizing, satisfying meal replacement that is full of phytonutrients yet low in calories. Likewise, these green drinks help to reset digestive functions, normalize bowel movement, and prevent constipation. Drinking fresh raw juice from greens and low-sugar fruits and vegetables, high in alkalizing mineral content, likewise feeds healthy gut bacteria, wards off parasites, and keeps fungal yeast strains like Candida in check. Number 4, can help to reduce inflammation. Systemic inflammation seems to be at the root of almost every known chronic health disorder. Along with adhering to healthy lifestyle activities, dietary food choices can often play a large part in neutralizing inflamed conditions. Most of the dark, leafy green vegetables are good sources of omega-3 ALA fatty acids, one of the anti-inflammatory nutrients nutritionally valued as essential fats for the brain and cardiovascular system. A health-promoting diet should include adequate amounts of them on a regular basis, and drinking green juices is one great way to achieve this objective. Cruciferous vegetables like kale, collard, bok choy, and arugula are also known anti-inflammatory agents. These greens contain the antioxidant chlorophyll, in addition to sulfur-bearing compounds, two components of which become especially concentrated when green juicing. Chlorophyll A has been identified in research to have promising effects for the treatment of inflammation and related diseases. Dietary sulfur is believed to be beneficial to the joints by helping to reduce inflammation and alleviate pain. Note, for those with hypothyroid issues, cruciferous leafy greens and vegetables should be avoided because of their potentially high goitrogen content. In such cases, cucumber and celery can be juiced with other non-cruciferous selections like dandelion greens, spinach, cilantro, parsley, and lettuce. It is also possible to add other ingredients such as ginger and turmeric to your green juice recipes to further promote anti-inflammatory effects. One of the benefits of drinking green juice is that it can subsequently help to alleviate inflammatory disorders like ulcerative colitis and inflammatory bowel disease. It is, however, always best to seek medical advice in such situations. How to make green juice. If you are new to their flavor, green juices can take a little getting used to, as the first sip is not necessarily appealing to the taste buds. This is because when properly made, they are low in sugar content. Typically prepared with base vegetables like celery and cucumber, their main components of course include different combinations of greens like kale, parsley, collard, lettuce, spinach, cabbage, dandelion, cilantro, sprouts, as well as wild edibles. They can therefore have a very green, sometimes bitter taste. Often, flavor can be improved by adding tastier selections such as mint and fennel, in addition to ginger, lemon, or lime, as well as small amounts of green apples if needed. To make green juices sweeter without increasing the sugar quantity significantly, you can also add in stevia or coconut water. Most people frequently find they adjust to the taste over time, and actually look forward to them and their health-enhancing side effects. Precautions. For people with an underactive thyroid or hypothyroidism, some health authorities believe it is best to avoid concentrated amounts of cruciferous leafy green vegetables. Juiced vegetables and their high oxalate content should be avoided by those with kidney disease or prone to kidney stones. Seek the advice of your physician if you are pregnant, nursing, taking prescription medications, or have a serious medical condition. Thanks for watching.